Hey, good afternoon, guys. This is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. Made this video for the folks over at Efficient Home Solutions. I spoke with Cassidy yesterday. Basically, all it is just a quick video on some things you guys might be able to do to help improve your online presence through your website. So, if you're wondering why I'm even making this video, I just find that a lot of business owners don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for themselves to bring in more customers. And typically, the only thing that's holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who's an expert and who isn't. And what oftentimes happens is that when I give these attack plans out for free, people here and there call me back and they say, you know what, Peter, I like you. I just prefer you handle this stuff for me. So if at the end of this video you guys see that I do have some tips and tricks up my sleeve and could do some good for your business, feel free to give me a call. We can chat further. If you guys just want to take this information, apply it yourselves, and run with it, be my guest. That's totally fine too. Excuse me. So the things I want to go over real quickly are going to be how to make your website more of an authority, how to make it more trustworthy, and how to make it rank in the Google Map Pack or the local map rankings, right? So starting off by looking at your website. It looks great, right? I like the theme. It's very colorful. We're visual creatures as humans. You have nice pictures. You do have some content here. Now, the first thing I notice is a lot of your content is pictures, right? So to be considered authoritative in the eyes of Google, you want to have 1,500 to 2,000 words of actual content. It can't all just be pictures because unfortunately it's not ranked based on how well it looks. So you guys do need to get some more content in there. And another tip too is what your pictures are saved as is also really important. And I'll touch on I'll kind of use this as a segue into something I'm going to talk about next. But you want to save these pictures as keywords, right? So I believe you guys are in Plano. So Plano HVAC contract, Plano, Texas HVAC contractor, HVAC repair service, Plano. All of your pictures need to be saved as keywords, and that's going to help boost you guys' presence as far as those organic search results. I'm gonna pop over to a tool we use called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month, but it just gives us a lot of really valuable data on the back end of websites, mainly referring to some of the you guys as bigger competitors, so we can kind of know exactly what they're doing that's working and help implement those same strategies for you guys, right? So, is speaking on getting more trust, being more trustworthy. That's judged on how many relevant websites you have pointing back to you guys and linking back to your website, right? So you have 266. That's a great number. That's a lot of websites. You have, a cumulative total of about 5,000 links from those websites, in some form or fashion pointing back to you guys. And same thing, I plugged in Sam's Heating and Air because when we plug in Plano, Texas HVAC service, they're at the top of the map and they're second in the organic search, right? So these guys are getting a ton of traffic each month. Excuse me, let me go back to their page. We plug their information in here. So they have less referring domains as you. So you guys are doing something good there, right? You have more, but the thing to keep in mind is those websites have to be relevant to your industry. Don't just have a bunch of pizza companies pointing back to you because you guys don't make pizzas. You do HVAC work, right? So another thing too is you can see clearly that these guys are getting this is their traffic per month. They're getting 1,300 people a month that are clicking on their website, and you can see a lot of that is tied to what their keywords are ranking for, right? See, they have AC Repair Plano, Texas, and they're getting 150 people alone per month on average that are searching for that, and they're in the first position for it. Same thing, AC Repair McKinney, Texas, 250 people a month are looking for that because they need their AC repaired in McKinney, and they're in the third position for that, right? So that's all really important. And what I want to compare is when we got look at you guys as keywords. See, attic insulation Dallas, like that's a good one. But a lot of the keywords that you guys are ranking for, and it's good information, but they're not buyer intent keywords, right? So you guys want to kind of tailor some of these keywords to be more specific to someone that needs your service now, not just kind of looking for information or trying to educate themselves, if that makes any sense. And the last thing to get you guys ranked in the Google Map Pack, if you just, again, somebody is not a repeat customer, they're not a word of mouth referral doing their research on you, they just need someone in Plano that does HVAC work. Statistically, people skip over these ads because they either have ad blockers or bad experiences with ad companies in the past. A lot of times they're gonna go to someone that's ranked up here in these top 3 spots on the Google Map Pack. All you guys need to do is go find the exact same directories on the internet that Sam's is listed in, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Craigslist, Angie's List, Facebook is even one. Go list your business name, number, and address in those exact same directories and add 50 to 100 more, right? And you guys are going to steal some of this traffic. You'll see yourself at the top of this map pack. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Again, just a quick recap. Again, is going to be content. It is king. The website looks great. It's not going to rank on how good it looks. You guys need to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content there with buyer intent keywords. Go in, and you guys are doing strong on the backlinks, like I said already. Just make sure the ones you have are relevant to your actual industry and you're not just getting spammy websites pointing back to you. And same thing, copy the directories that Sam's is in, get the exact same ones and add 50 to that. So that's all I got, guys. If you have any questions, concerns, feel free to give me a call back. Hopefully you find this useful. If anything, just drop me a line of feedback if there's anything valuable in the video. Appreciate your time, guys. Have a great day. Bye.